In this work, we evaluate how older adults perceive a non-humanoid robot designed to provide a feeling of being seen. The robot's social aspects were designed as its secondary function to overcome older adults' rejection of companion robots. I would like to invite the students who worked with us to present the study.
The need for technologies designed specifically to support successful aging is constantly increasing due to the growing of population of older adults that maintain relatively high levels of physical and cognitive functioning. Companion robots have been suggested as a promising technology to relieving loneliness, known as one of the major challenges reducing the chances of reaching successful aging. Healthy older adults commonly reject companion robots designed to be an artificial friend. Previous research showed that the rejection is associated with the robot's function. Healthy older adults do not perceive companionship as a valid function and prefer robots that have a function that they find respectful and relevant for their daily routines. Companionship is not rejected when it is presented as the robot's secondary function. The rejection of companion robots was also associated with the robot's appearance, and humanoid robots of zoomorphic design are rejected since they are perceived as not authentic and artificial. Older adults commonly prefer robots with appearance that serve their primary function.
In a Zoom study, we followed the approach of companionship as a secondary function. We tested how older adults perceive a non-humanoid robot design with both primary and secondary function. The primary function comprised an anagram game. Companionship was designed as the robot's secondary function. Our qualitative analysis revealed that older adults found the robot's behavior to be appropriate for several use cases relevant for their daily routine. The use cases were classified into 3 high-level categories: companionship as attentive to me, companionship as looking after me, and companionship as experiencing together with me. In the companionship as attentive to me theme, participants suggested that a robot can be a responsive motivator and increase the feeling of being seen. In the companionship as looking after me theme, participants suggested that a robot can be look out for them indicating that something is happening. And make sure they do not forget or miss important things. In the companionship as experiencing together with me theme, participants suggested that the robot will participate with them in different experiences. Our findings indicate that robotic companionship was designed as a secondary function is perceived by older adults as a multifaceted social experience, even when the robot has no humanoid feature. Older adults are able to associate social gesture with various use cases that are appropriate for their daily routine.
Future studies should further explore these initial findings and the potential of such robotic companionship to enhance older adults' well-being and successful aging.